1. Great technological advancements. Air Arabia offers access to cutting-edge technology, providing its employees with a dynamic and innovative work environment. 2. Average work and life balance. The company emphasizes maintaining a healthy balance between work and personal life, promoting the overall well-being of its employees. 3. Transportation facilities. Air Arabia provides transportation facilities, ensuring convenient commuting for its workforce. 4. Free lunch. Employees enjoy complimentary meals during their work hours, contributing to a more comfortable and productive workplace. 5. Great cultural values. The airline fosters an inclusive and diverse culture, promoting mutual respect and understanding among its employees. 6. Good management. Air Arabia boasts efficient and supportive management practices, ensuring a positive and productive work atmosphere. 7. Good pay scale. Employees receive competitive salary packages, reflecting the company's recognition of their skills and contributions. 8. Strong teamwork. The company encourages teamwork and collaboration, fostering a cooperative and cohesive work environment. 9. Cheap cafeteria for staff. Air Arabia provides an affordable cafeteria for its staff, offering a range of food options to cater to their preferences. 10. Authentic job security. Employees benefit from a sense of job security, creating a stable and reliable career path within the organization. 11. Balanced lifestyle. Air Arabia promotes a well-balanced lifestyle, recognizing the importance of work-life harmony for its employees. 12. Commission on sales. Sales employees have the opportunity to earn commissions, incentivizing their performance and dedication. 13. Free tickets. As a perk, employees receive complimentary tickets for personal travel, adding to their travel experiences. 14. Valuable training. The airline invests in valuable training programs, ensuring continuous professional development for its employees. 15. Break hours. Air Arabia provides dedicated break hours, allowing employees to relax and recharge during their workday.